Alright, so in today's look, I'm going to feature the shade Jada, which is this beautiful matte teal shade in the palette. I'm starting with one eye done, so I kind of scared myself there. If you're not scared, then you love makeup way too much and we can probably be best friends. But anyways, I'm starting with the shade MFEO as my transition color. I'm taking it on a blending brush and simply blending it into my crease. Okay, we're now taking a moment to set the scarf. Bear with me in this tutorial, I'm just in a mood this day. So anyways, just simply blending that color into the crease, nothing special. And here my husband's probably kidding around and making fun of me, but then I'm gonna pick up the shade Pukey on a brush that is a little more precise than the one we used earlier, because we don't want this shade to be too far off dispersed. We just want it focused right into the crease, a little below and a little above the crease too, but not really diffused like the first one. So we're gonna take Pukey and just blend it directly into the crease. Okay, next on a really fine blending brush. This one's really tiny. It's a Wayne Goss number 6 brush, I think. So I'm mixing in the shades Enchanted and Jada because I wanted a deep green, but I didn't want it as deep as Enchanted. So anyways, I mixed it with Jada, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to blend it directly into the crease. This time, I'm not gonna let it go above my crease. It's gonna stay really low into the crease. Okay, and now for the star of the show, I'm gonna start really packing the shade Jada all over my lids. For some reason, I really prefer packing brushes to lay down matte shades, and I don't use glitter glue when I'm using matte shades because there's really no glitter or shimmer that I want my eyes to hold on to. So I'm basically just using a Hockey Hodo packing brush, and I'm going to just lay down Jada, a couple of layers of that to get this really nice pigmented look. Once I'm satisfied with the way that looks, I'm gonna pick that really tiny little blending brush one more time, again mixing the two shades Enchanted and Jada and really working them into my crease. I want the crease to be really deep, so yeah, that's what I'm doing there. And here I'm just basically checking if both my sides look equal, and I realized I needed a little more Pukey above my crease. So that's what I'm doing. I'm using Pukey and basically blending it above my crease a little bit. I wanted a teeny tiny pop of glitter somewhere, so what I did was just take some glitter glue, put that on the inner corners, and then layer that with Pool Party, which is again a beautiful teal but with some shimmer. So I just did that, and I thought it just brought the entire look together. So then I just aligned my waterline as well as my tight line with Kohl Eye Pencil by Maybelline. Then I'm just going to set the black waterline with this blue shade from the palette called Torque on a Morphe M432. I'm just going to start setting it. If you have a blue liner at hand, just use that. I didn't want to reach for many external products for this tutorial, which is why I used the blue in the palette. But if you have one at your hands, just make your life easier and don't do the 2 steps. And then I'm just going to start working on my lower lash line using Jada and Enchanted together, working it really close to my lower lash line. And then I'm taking Pukey, a lot of it, and really blend those colors out a little below on my lower lash line. And now I'm just simply going to put a couple of coats of mascara on my lower as well as my upper lashes. And for the final step, I'm just highlighting my brow bone, just picking up the shade in Light from the palette on a pencil brush and highlighting my brow bone. I think this just brings the entire look together. I never used to highlight my brow bone. Now I can't finish a look without it. So yeah guys, that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.